everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you, and I'm really trying to not buy more Christmas stuff. I've already bought a ton of stuff to craft with, not noticing that basically Christmas is right around the corner. A lot of stores are already starting to pull stuff. I just filmed a shop with me for Michael's, and they're already starting to rearrange their stores to get rid of Christmas stuff and bring in the next season. So I'm gonna slow down with the crafts, or maybe try and bunch them all in 1 week. So today's haul is not many Christmas items. So the first item that I wanted to show you guys that I was really excited to see was this soy blend scented candle. I get really excited when I see soy blend in Dollar Tree. I'm a little hopeful that these are better quality than the ones that they originally have, but I always say that I buy Dollar Tree candles for the jars and not for the smell, but these smell really, really good. I haven't burned them yet, but the throw is nice. This one, the Energy and Uplifting, doesn't smell as good as the other one that I have, which I cannot find right now. But once you're done and you burn this down, you can always just pour another candle into this. I just love the colors of these little jars, and I love that there's no writing on the lid either, so you can reuse this for so many things. This was a really fun find. I love that they have wine stoppers now. I'm not too crazy about what it says on here, but these are stickers. You can easily peel them off and customize them, which I actually might end up doing. I don't even think that these are really good quality stickers, so just, yeah, you can take these off with no issue at all. Some of the sayings are cute. I'm not saying that they're all ugly, but I think that this would be a lot more thoughtful if you customized it, or even if it's just for you, if you like monogrammed it, that would be really cool, or if you put like a nice little picture on here, it would be super cool. I know that they have these little stickers that you can put on mugs that say like good morning beautiful or hello beautiful. I know that they have a big one and a small one, so a small one would actually fit this pretty nicely. For $1 and a custom gift or a custom little home accent, this would be really cute. When I did my gift basket videos, I mentioned the graphite pencils and how I couldn't find them when I made the artist basket. And I went to one Dollar Tree and they had them all. And these actually have really good reviews. They sell out quickly. So I got the artist graphite pencils, the charcoal pencils, watercolor, and metallic. I haven't used them yet. Some people say they're great, some people say they suck. For $1, you can't really get too picky, and if you have somebody who's just starting out to work with art products, this is the way to start, because art products are not cheap at all whatsoever. So this is great to put together for a little artist in your life. Or a big artist. I didn't mean that in any type of way. Look at how cute these socks are. These are adorable, and the fact that they come packaged this way, where they're supposed to be side by side to create one image, how cute would this be for a gift? And I know I mention gifts in every video, but seriously, it's just things like that you would want to get at Dollar Tree, things that become very, very pricey. So I think this is so cute. I've mentioned before the women's crew socks are a little tight, but these don't go all the way up, so I don't see them really suffocating my calves if you're part of the big calf crew like I am. And then I purchased more of these socks. I recently did like a deep clean in my home. I got rid of all my socks. It's really hard to keep great socks when you have an English bulldog and a little tiny fluffy one that leave hair everywhere. If you guys can relate, leave a comment below, but no matter how many times you wash your socks, hair just sticks to them. So I kind of just did like a deep clean, got rid of all my old ones and bought new ones, and these are awesome. These are actually pretty thick. They come 2 to a pack, and usually they come 3 to a pack, but those are much thinner. So I'm noticing that the 2-pack is much better quality. So I bought these different patterns. And look at these little fox ones. Tell me these aren't the cutest things ever. And if you go to like somewhere like Old Navy and stuff like that, you can still get a really good deal on socks, but these are way better. Well, Old Navy quality ones, I'm not gonna lie, are way better, but price-wise, these always end up being better. I found this Glam and Beauty Trio lip gloss, and this looks like something that you would find at Walmart in those like pre-made like makeup gift sets. And those things are usually a hit or miss. You either find really cool makeup that you wish was around all year long, or you find duds. But this is lip gloss. You can't really go wrong with lip gloss. actually you totally can, but you know what I mean. These are 3 to put in a little stocking stuffer. This would be really cute and perfect. My Dollar Tree finally got more of these little ornaments. These are super duper cute. It comes in different patterns. So this one is Santa. Then I got a little gingerbread person. And I got another one of these. This is the one that I hauled last time, which is a little penguin. But I know that some Dollar Trees do have a reindeer and a different Santa. I know that Michael's sells these for $2.99. So to get them for $1 is totally worth it. You don't have to use these as ornaments. You can also use these to tag gifts or whatever you want. It is just so cute and really well made. So you don't have to worry about it falling apart. Look how cute these are. They're so cute. I purchased some of these magnets for my sister and realized I really like them. It is the Wake, Pray, and Slay. I have a vision board next to my bed and I always try to keep positive like affirmations and stuff around it. So I got the Wake, Pray, and Slay and the, one second, Good Vibes Only. These are super cute. I got these for my sister maybe during the summer. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But now I wanted them for me to put up on my little vision board because I need to manifest some better things for 2019. Not that I am complaining, I've had an amazing year and I hope you guys have too, but it's always nice to reflect on your year and look forward to positive things, you know what I mean? I finally was able to find one of these little buckets. I love them. First of all, I love the color as is. I love that it has the little handles and spray painted to like make it look galvanized would look super cute, or just keeping it as is. The color is so vibrant and so nice, and this doesn't look cheap at all. I mean, it's plastic, it doesn't look high-end, but it really doesn't look like dollar store stuff, you know? So I really like this. In that same section, randomly hanging on a little thingy, I found LA Color Glow Now? Yes, Glow Now Skin Illuminators, so highlighters. I'm not a big fan of liquid highlights because I always feel like they pull off my foundation. But I wanted to try it. I know a lot of people really swear by them, and if you can get them for $1, it is totally worth it. A lot of brands are super expensive. There's also brands like Wet n Wild and e.l.f. that have really affordable stuff. But you never know. LA Colors has been putting out some amazing things. One of their little tiny palettes actually has a dupe color in there that matches the Natasha Denona palette. If you don't know what that is, it is $120. But it has beautiful colors in it, and one of them does have a color that's very similar. I haven't tested if it's like the same wear time, but I know that the colors are super similar. This I thought was really cool because I thought it was something else, and then I realized that it is the same thing as Poobygone. It is it is odor eliminating drops, and you just put it in the toilet and it creates a little barrier so that your smell, your essence, your aroma can stay trapped in the toilet. So I do like that this comes in a smaller size than the Poobygone because it's a little bit more discreet if you're out in public, if you can poop in public. But I thought it was something totally different. I thought it was like a toilet bowl cleaner, and that's why I was like, oh, so cool. But then I realized it's Poobygone, so I'll be putting this in my purse for some emergencies. And then last but not least, I found this adorable little sign. They have this every year. It's not the same pattern, but they do have these every year around this time when they have the stocking stuffers, and then they keep it all the way through past Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, they do keep a lot of stocking stuffers, so I don't really rush to pick things up like this because I know that they're gonna have it for a while. There are certain things that after many years of shopping at Dollar Tree, you know what's gonna stick and what's not. And this is one of those things that you will find every year. So if you are an avid crafter and you can think of a craft for something like this, you can always count on this coming back. Let me show you some of the things in stores that I thought were amazing, but I didn't need in my home.
I found these really cool Street Fighter figurines, which are perfect for Nicki Minaj since she's Chun-Li.
They need rappers like me. They need rappers like me. Like Chung-Li.
Then I finally spotted the mermaid pens, but I really didn't need them. And I also found peppermint bark. This looks delicious, but I'm gonna have to pass.
So that's it for me and all of the stuff that I bought. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I don't think you guys understand how appreciative I am that you guys are sitting here and watching my videos and just hanging out. I don't have any friends here in Long Island, so you guys keep me company. You guys write to me, and I love it so much, and I appreciate it. Anyway, thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys next time.